So today we're going to have square-based pyramids or rectangular-based pyramids, however, depends on what their shape is. So let's make this a square. So this is 6, this is 6. Let's say the slant height is 8, okay? 6, 6, and 8. To find the surface area of a pyramid, you have a base, okay, which is the square at the bottom. And then in this case, how many triangles do we have that makes up the sides? 4 triangles that are each 1/2 their base times the slant height. Okay? 1/2 the base times their slant height. So the length of the side times slant height. So what happens here is instead of doing the 4 and the base, we can do the perimeter. Okay, and that takes care of it. Okay, so it's the area of the base plus 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. So the area of the base in this case is 6 times 6 or 6 squared. The perimeter of the base is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is 24, and the slant height is 8. Okay, so it's 36 plus 96, which is 132. Okay. If we have a triangular based pyramid, as long as we have the slant height and one edge, let's say this is an equilateral triangle. So this is 10 and this is 16. Okay. If it's 10 on each side, we need to find the area of the base plus 1/2 the perimeter of the base times the slant height. All right. Now, on these problems, they'll give us that the height of the base of the triangle. So they'll be nice to us here. Okay, let's say this height is about 9. Okay, so to find the area of the base is the area of the bottom triangle. The area of the base is length times or base times height divided by 2. So 10 times 9 divided by 2 plus 1/2 the perimeter of the base. Well, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. And then the slant height is 16. So this part is 45, the area of the base. And then this part is 240, so it's 285. Okay, so today's is pretty straightforward. Nothing to hopefully get you too confused. The easier ones, I think, are with the square bases. Because to find the area of a square base, is very simple. So the square base is 10 times 10. And the perimeter of the base is 40. The slant height is 12. So we just do the math. 100 plus 240 is 340. Oops. So here the slant height is 12. This is 6. This is 8. Okay. So how do we find the area of the base? The area of that bottom triangle. 8 times 6 divided by 2. It's the area of a triangle. Plus 1/2. What's the perimeter of that triangle? 24. 8 plus 8 plus 8. Slant height is 12. So this is 24. This is 144. So you get 168. Can you handle a few problems like this? Okay. So you have this, and then you'll have a practice quiz. We'll go over the practice quiz right at the start tomorrow. So you're going to get handed 3 worksheets today. One with square bases, one with triangular bases, and the practice quiz. So that's it for today. Not too much. And then we'll do the quiz tomorrow, and then you'll have 4 days off, and then we'll start volumes.